Hello and welcome back to my vlog. This time I'm visiting my friend Max. So I arrive in the evening and we're having some dinner. The next day.
Sändning kamera 2, börjar om 3, 2, 1.
Ja, här står vi nu då och packar undan frukosten. Det smakade väldigt rikt och där uppe finns det inte mycket att visa.
Jaha, ja.
Och här till vänster har du ju bordet då och akta dig för hunden. Ska jag ta det här eller? Ja, nu tar jag det här.
Ja, du kan slicka upp resterna där.
Men hur var det nu med den där kenyanska apan? Ska du läsa ut?
It's a sunny day, so we decide to go to the skate park. At first it looked like there was no ice on the skate park, but then we saw that it was completely covered, like 90% in ice. While at Mac's place, I made this smoke simulation test and some particle test. And this one, you can see some flickering, but I think I have figured that out now. After that, it was time to go home. Home to my good old computer desk. Max working on some pixel art in Discord and eating some yogurt. I've been working with Andreas and Jenny from Tvillingsjälar, making some illustrations for their app. That's all for this one. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.